Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can insert any image in your MS Word document. So first let's open our MS Word document. Now I have a blank document right here. Now in order to insert any image, all you need to do is go to the Insert tab right here on the ribbon. Once you click on the Insert tab, you can see the Pictures option right here. Click on it and it will ask you for the source of the picture. You can either choose to add an image from the device which you have stored locally, or you can also choose any online stock images which is available, and you can also choose another online pictures as well. So if you want to add any image which is stored in your device, simply click on this device button right here and it will open the file explorer in order for you to explore and choose the image that you want to paste in your document. So you can navigate using the file explorer, and for example, I want to add these two images right here, so I will select both of them. And once I have selected all the images that I want to insert, simply click on this insert button right here. Once you do, you can see that the both of the images have been successfully inserted in our Word document. So that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.